Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back in another video. In today's video, we're gonna show how to replace a charging port in iPhone 7. First of all, let's open two screws in the bottom of the phone, and after removing that, we're gonna use a metallic, or you can use a plastic or a sucking cup. How do you call it anyway? And I'm using this metal is thin, and it helps a lot. This is a way that you can open 13 Pro Max or 12 Pro Max. So this is the easiest way, on my opinion. On some cases, you have to heat up the phone to remove the glue in. So after this, after we open it a little bit, we're gonna use the plastic, playing guitar, plastic, and we're gonna scroll it till the end of the phone, and carefully just open the phone in the right side. After removing that, we're gonna remove the screen. We have four screws in triangle screw, so and let's use this one to remove. In my opinion, I want to say, like, you have to organize the things, everything that you take off, every part that you take off from the phone, you have to organize that because it helps you to put them back, like in a proper way. That's a different kind of screw. That's a Phillips screw. We remove that. We only have one screw here. I don't know where is the other one, but it seems like this one wasn't open before. So let's remove the screen. As you see, don't forget to subscribe and like if you want it. And after this process, we're gonna remove all the parts that are holding the motherboard and the camera and everything. We're gonna remove them one by one. So for the first step, just watch the video, and as I said, you need to organize them. You need to organize all the parts in the proper way to find them later and how to put them in the places they were. So now let's remove the antenna. This is this kind of antenna. Don't forget any screw because you're gonna screw the job. Like totally screw. Anyway, let's stick to the plan. We use some scissors to get them off. And there's another screw. Let's put it in the motherboard too. So stay away. Why am I fixing this? Anyway, this is the screw from this side, so I'm keeping them organized just for you guys. Okay, this is another thing that keeps the connector of the volume. And let's remove the metallic thing and remove the connector. You can use plastic if you want to remove. I'm removing them with my fingers, say, because I'm used to that. It's all about practice, guys. If you practice a lot, it's like you get the skills to open them in the proper way. But I'm gonna show you. This is how you can DIY your stuffs. In this case, this iPhone 7, how you can change or how can you can turn down all the phone. So let's remove the camera. Careful with the camera. Don't press it like in front of the camera because you can break it and or you can, yeah, you can damage it. Careful with the things. This is in in speed mode. It's like in a speed mode. Let's say this is faster than what it really looks, and it's done in a slowest way. So let's remove the connector of the charging port and then the antennas. let's stick to the plan, guys. If you have any question or suggestion, comment down below, guys, or contact me in Instagram. I already opened an Instagram account, DoniFix, as you know. There are 4 screws in the motherboard. We remove them all one by one and we organize them as they were from top to the bottom. Even they are like the same. Don't forget to remove the SIM card. So as I said, there are 4 screws. Don't forget the 4th one because some cases you can break the motherboard, so the main part. That's the whole point. Don't damage the main part. And let's start with removing the speaker. And there are 2 screws and a 3rd one in the right and a 4th in the left. 1, 2, 3. You can slow down the video if you want to watch it like in proper way, let's say, but this is how we do it, let's say. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like the video, and organize the things. In my opinion, the first thing that you have to remove is like all the screws that you see, remove all the screw because you know you don't know where to get the first when you are the beginners. This is why I did it like this. So remove the screws and then remove all the parts. Careful with the antenna there. Maybe you can damage it. So careful with that. I've been sick some days, so don't. I'm sorry for my English, let's say, and for my voice and noise. Yo yo. So there are 6 screws, and we organize them all. There are six screws, as you see. There are 2 in the bottom. Don't forget to put them out. Where are you going, my friend? Okay. Now, slowly, for easiest taking off, let's say, you can use hit gun and hit it for about 30 seconds in 200 degrees or 100 degrees, no problem. But you have to heat it up a little bit and you can take it easily. This is an I had to heat it up, like because I screwed it a little bit, but anyway, the idea is the same. Okay, that's the part that it goes. As you see, the all parts that we take it off, they are organized in the good way, and one of the best thing is the for the silicon mate because it keeps things organized as you see in the video, and it helps you a lot to do a good work and a clean work. So I suggest you guys to take one. You can find it in Amazon and eBay and everything. You can find it online, no problem. But what I want us to say is like in the later videos, maybe in these videos too, I'm gonna put the things that I've used and where you can get them. So stay tuned. Let's take the new charging port and place it in place. Place it in place. Nice work, mate. Your English is improving. Oh my god, I'm talking to myself. There's some plastic and you have to remove them one by one. And on my opinion, for the first thing, I had difficulty here in this process. And the best way how to put the charging port is, sorry guys, is to put the end at the first, and then you put the upper part. You know, like the end is, it's good to put the end, and you put it in a good way then. But in this case, we're gonna do it in the reverse thing. So, okay, as we always say, don't forget to try things before you install them, because or replace them, because it would be a waste of time. So we test the charging port, the new charging port, and it looks everything fine. It looks everything okay, and it's ready to be installed. But one mistake from my side is, like, as I said, you have to put the down part first, you place it in place, and then after that you're gonna put the upper part. It's easy. It's easiest way, let's say. But you can put it in this way too, so just watch it and learn it. Practice makes it better, let's say. As I say, guys, if you have any question or suggestion, comment down below. If you like my English, comment down below. If you don't like it, I know you're not gonna like it, but anyway, I'm trying my best. As I said, this is a mess because of my stupid mistake, but we're gonna make it. So slowly, don't damage the new thing, the new charging port. You put it in place, you see it if everything in place, and I think it's ready to go. We rock it. Yeah, it's ready to go, guys. So let's place all the things in place. There's a microphone out of the area. We have to put that in place first. Let's use this thing. Thinky tinky. You're not going nowhere, my friend. You're gonna go in place where you belong. Okay. Okay. It's ready. Anyway, I was just kidding. Ta-ra-ta-tum. I suggest you guys in a way how to remember what have you done. It's good to record yourself if you don't remember the steps that you did. So you record yourself and it's easier for you. Let's put all the screws on the place, and it will be ready. Just put them one by one as you take them off. Like the best way, as I said, I'm putting in a order how I want, let's say, but you can put them in the reverse mode. The first thing, the last thing, the last thing is the first thing. So the first thing is the last, and yeah, this is how it works. Let's put the buzzer. You know, guys, you have to love this job to do it. You know, like, I don't ask you guys. I didn't ask you. Sorry, mate. How have you been today? It's everything okay? And I hope you get the video till here and you answer the question. It's a good question. You have to ask people how they are, in my opinion. You have to be worried about people you love. And I love you guys. Seriously. Whoever get this video till here, comment below. Okay, that's we have 4 more screws to put them on. 3. I think there are 3. We forgot one. So that's a big mistake. Oh my who the heck? Who the heck? Take the. We have to remove them all. Oh my god, no way. Okay, let's remove this. Just in a good way. Slowly. And that's. We speed it up a little bit here because of the process, but don't forget the 2 screws that are after the bottom screws. You know? That's the whole point. I'm sorry guys for this interruption, I say. Because I speed it up a little bit but I wanted just to show the video and how it's done, like the proper way. You can do mistakes. You can forget something. It's no problem. Let's put the 4 screws in the motherboard. Sorry guys. And I think this is it. This is it. We've done the whole work. And thank you for watching. You can watch more. Like it has a little bit more work this, but I think we've done. You can proceed by yourself. Uh, you can proceed by yourself. I believe in you guys. You know, like you have to test yourself. Did you remember the things? Did you know how to do it by yourself? It's not all the point to watch the videos and blah blah blah. You can start your own work on this. Don't forget the screws. They are important. That's why Apple put them. So let's put the camera in the place. It looks fine, and my head looks fine too. Yeah, boy. These screws are not sticky. I don't know why. Where are you going, my friend? Okay, I find you. They're not sticky to the magnet. I put another magnet in the screw, but they are not like. Let's put the other screw. Close it up. This is the full video, guys. It's not like 5-minute videos and how. No, if you watch this one by one, like step by step, you can understand like it's it's okay, let's say, and you can do it. That's the whole point. So let's put that screw. So many screws, guys. Oh my. But anyway, this work need patience. You have to be patient, like patient. if you want to work with these stuffs. And I saw some guys like they show in 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, 5 seconds, how to install an LCD and other things. Anyway, you can do it, but it's better when you show the whole video if you wanna learn and doing no mistakes. There are some good channels, let's say. Maybe you know, like DoniFix is one of them, the best. And no, that screw doesn't belong there. That screw is in the top. You idiot! You already forgot. In my opinion, you have to put all the screws. Don't forget anything. And that's it, guys. We finish the whole work. And one of the biggest and craziest work you have to do is to put the antennas in the bottom of the phone. That's a difficult step. Just careful with that. You have to put the antennas, and it's a difficult step. As I said, I don't know, but I was struggling to put them. Put the camera, or you can put aside the LCD screen, and then it's easier to put the camera. But this is the way I put the camera, like I found it easily like this. I don't know why, but I'm putting the camera like it's an iPhone 6. Oh my god. Anyway, and let's put the connectors of the of LCD, and then the battery and everything else. But first, before putting the battery, we're gonna install the metal thing in the upper part where is the connector of the front camera, and then we're gonna install the down part. And let's turn it on. It looks fine. It works. Oh my god. We don't know the passcode, but we're gonna try like it's charging and it's okay. It's charging and it's okay. Okay, let's turn it off. What was that thumbs up? Anyway, we're looking at the screen. That was okay, man. What the heck? Let's install the final parts, and I think it's ready. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you get to the end of the video and you liked it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much. And then this metallic that is holding the connectors, the battery connector, the LCD connector, the charging port connector. We got the wrong The wrong screwdriver, you know. You think I forgot the name, but no, mate. I know my English is good. It's not that good, but I'm trying my best, and this is a good thing. If you like it, comment down below. If you don't get my English, if you don't understand, I don't know what to say. I'm trying my best. Thank you for watching, guys, and let's give it a scrunch this phone to this phone and close it. You put the upper part first and then give it a scrunch in the side, in the other side, in the end, and then we turn on the phone. Put the put the screws in the bottom. Don't forget them because it can because the screen will open by itself then. Sometimes, not always. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the video. See you in the next video and have a nice day. Bye bye.